so hungry. What's my mom gonna get home? Get like Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A. She's probably gonna get Chick-fil-A. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh, I think she's here. Okay, time to eat some food, bro. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
Did you get me some Chick-fil-A?
No.
McDonald's?
No.
Burger King?
No.
Wendy's?
No.
Chipotle?
Does this look like a Chipotle bag to you?
No, ma'am.
Why aren't you getting fast food?
Because I'm gonna start cooking.
You cook?
I'm not spending my money on fast food anymore.
Oh, wait, you're serious?
Yes.
Oh. Hey, Mom, is this for the meal tonight?
Yeah.
Fruity Pebbles. We're having breakfast. Oh. French dressing. What? Sour cream? And a tin foil thing? That's a onion. I'm really bad. I don't know.
I can't wait to cook. It'll be so good. I think I'll start with this here. Come on out. Oop, I gotta bring this over to the stove. Time to add the magic. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Time for me to go chop this onion. Oh, it's making me cry. Oh yeah, this looks delicious. Cake. Okay, number 14. Finished product. Honey, dinner's ready. Wash your hands.
What? Oh, okay, I'll wash my hands. Poison the crap out of me. I can't wait to eat your meal, Mom.
I'm gonna be so excited.
Thanks, Mom. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, Mom, this looks so good.
Yeah, it has a little egg yolk in there.
Aren't you supposed to cook the egg?
You don't have to.
Oh, I guess it's like a new TikTok trend not to cook your egg.
Yeah.
It's like protein. Num. Num num.
Actually, eat it.
I will. I will eat it.
Then eat it.
Oh, I think your phone's ringing, Mom.
Oh yeah, I think so too.
She's finally going. Oh, I gotta find a place to pour this. Huh. Gotta pour. I think trash can's better. I really think this woman is trying to poison me. Bye-bye. Good riddance. Look at the fork in there.
Oh look, you ate the whole thing.
Yeah,
I
Mom,
knew it was so good.
Time for me to go to the bathroom.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
How she ate that thing was so gross. My little secret.
Mom! What? You made me eat that food?
I'm sorry, honey. It was so disgusting.
Give me some.
No.
I don't know what to say, so.
Just subscribe, please. That fell. And more magic. Oh, it's not open.
It's not even open.
Magic.